Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Google Play Store. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Google Play Store. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open Google Play Store on your device and tap Sign In. On the Sign In page, tap Create Account and select the purpose of the account. You can create a Google account for yourself, for your child, or for business purposes. In this video, I will be creating an account for myself, so tap For Myself. It is time to fill in your details. Enter your first and last name and tap Next. Select your date of birth and select your gender. Tap Next. You can now select the auto-generated Gmail address or create your own. I will select the auto-generated Gmail address. When done, tap Next. Now create a password for your account and tap Next. Also enter your phone number and tap Next. A verification code will be sent to your phone number and Google will automatically verify the number. Tap Next. You can now check your account details and tap Next. Make sure to go through the privacy and terms and tap I agree. Similarly, back up your account and tap Accept. And that's how you sign up for Google Play Store. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.